In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Miro. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to Miro.com. So Miro is actually a tool that you can use as a whiteboard. It's AI powered with a collaborative feature good for teamwork. So for this case, just input right here your work email. You can proceed to input here as well your Gmail account and click on this sign up free. Now, if you already have an account, proceed to click on this login. I'll head over and log in on mine. Here is what your first board would look like. So you will be redirected into this part once you have successfully signed up. In order to draw on Miro, you can see right here this pencil icon wherein you can create freehand drawings. You can also click on just P on your keyboard in order to activate it. Once you have clicked on it, you can choose what kind of pen you would like. We have pen, we have highlighter, you can also create shapes. We have in here eraser as well as our lasso. On my case, I'll input right here our pen and I'll make it into this page. And in here, you can also make it as big as you want. So for example, let's try to draw right here something. I'll head over and draw right here a house. And with that, you can just use your mouse in order to draw something on Miro. So it can be as any possible option that you want it to be. And you have the option to actually do this as well. Now, for example, if you actually made or did something wrong, you can click on this eraser and you can erase that certain part. So that certain part that is connected will be erased. So since this particular line is connected, you can click on this and it will be erased altogether right there. So just proceed to do it and then draw whatever you need to draw right here into this part. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.